Macpower Cnc Machines Limited is one of the most trusted name in the world of machining excellence. Over more than 18 years of experience behind, Macpower Cnc Machines Limited has made its own mark and achieved the result beyond expectations. Macpower listed with purpose to utilize funds of IPO in making maximum in-house machining components to manufacture entire range of CNC machines through backward integration, to purchase series of the state-of-the-art mother machineries and measuring instruments and high-end software to eliminate rejection and rework in machining and increase productivity and quality. The company has the new separate 11-tank process powder coating plant and fabrication shop. Due to backward integration, company able to came up with 5th generation all-new 2020 machine series, and production of CNC machines has been doubled from nearly 600 machines to 1200 machines per annum. And 85% of machining of components are made in-house, which helps to decrease logistic cost and increasing productivity by maintaining all quality factors, hence delivering value to the end users. The constructed area of the company was around 52,858 square feet. Now, with new construction of 70,029 square feet with all modern infrastructure facilities, making the total area of 1,22,887 square feet. Working in 37 locations across the country and supplied machines to defense sector, DRDO, aerospace sector, HAL, education sector, IIT, ISRO, and exporting machines in many countries. With a robust team of R&D, the company is working on development of various world-class machines which will create new avenues in the world of machining. In the present era of COVID-19, where most of the company has faced setbacks, Macpower has come out with hot air seam sealing machine for PPE suits, which has been delivered across the country. Now company has developed fastest fully automatic N95 mask making machine, having capacity to produce 50,000 masks per day, and melt blown non-woven fabric making machine. Yes, Atmanirbhar Bharat is the new mantra of the company. The company with the highest financial and operational strength has been rated MSC1 by CRISIL for 2 consecutive years. Macpower is moving from NSE Emerge platform to NSE main board.
At the time of launching IPO, we made promises for backward integration and expansion. And today I am very delighted to share that we have fulfilled our promises. Increase of production capacity from 600 machine per annum to 1200 machine per annum without adding new manpower is the result of backward integration. We are financially strong and stable, and so as we have paid dividend for the continuously period of 2 years, Team Macpower is thankful to every stakeholder who have shown their faith and concern toward us. We will work very hard and add value to the life of every stakeholder of Macpower.